times when I walk in the bush,
Yeah.
my boots, I fucking stomp the ground hard, man. Give it a couple times. What it does, it vibrates in the ground
Yeah.
and spooks the snake. And the snake rattles, go.
Oh, right.
That way you know where it is, where you're walking.
Oh, okay, nice.
You know what I mean? I don't really want to walk down there. But you can go on the trail and go right to the bridge. And you have a good view of that. Come on. Last time I came by here,
Yeah.
last year.
But these mushrooms say this not the one that we
You
eat.
know, that's food. That's you gotta watch. See? That one's no good to eat. You don't eat those ones.
Oh.
I'll tell you. Those you don't eat either. Those you don't eat.
Day in nature.
Yeah, they make you sick. See here? This is a snake bush, right? So what we do is you pull the root right out.
Yeah.
So we grab the root and peel the root and keep peeling it,
Yeah.
and we make a braid out of it, make a rope
Nice.
out of this root.
Or like just like what you do with the
It's hard to break.
what you call it, the bamboo.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Same thing, man.
Yeah.
These are oak trees. We get acorns out of them. Where they peanuts. You know about peanuts?
Yeah.
Right here. There's acorn.
Nice.
Yeah, we get peanuts out of it. We eat those. Fresh ones though. We get fresh ones.
Fresh acorns, yeah. Day in nature.